Hello everybody. So, we're back. We're doing our project. Let's see if we can get out the light. There we go. Now it's back to normal. We're doing our timer. Our streamer timer. So that way, it notifies me when we reach a certain time in our stream. Either halfway, 5 minutes before it ends, supposed to end, when it's supposed to end, and when it's over 10-15 minutes over the required time. So let's get on. Today we're going to be doing programming. We're going to be programming it. So we're going to start a new sketch up. We're going to save that as soon as possible as streamer timer. And we're going to throw this to the right. To the left, we're going to have the blank sketch. And we're just going to have that one floating around. So, the first thing we want to do is we're going to make our integers. We're going to, okay, so we're going to turn that at volume 2. Int start. This is going to be the starting LED. I forgot to put a starter on the button. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We're going to use the reset button as the timer. So whenever I hit reset, it's gonna restart the code. And it should only be plugged in when I'm doing a stream, so I don't need to worry about anything else. Alright, so our LEDs are going to be our start LED, which is at 12. Int halfway is going to be pin 9. Int 5 min is going to be 6. No, 6. And stop stream is going to be 3. Overtime is going to be pin number 2. Nope, 2. I didn't know why I did that. We're also going to have to put in the analog pins. Switch. We're going to do what, 15 min stream equals A0 const int. We're gonna make that 30 min stream A1 const int 1 hour stream A2. Alright, so that's good. Okay, so we got start halfway. Okay. So we gotta make each one of these. Okay, so setup, I gotta make every pin work. Pin mode. Start. output. And you know what? We're just gonna, sake of time, that's 5. We're gonna copy halfway. Oh, see, halfway. 5 in. Stop stream. Overtime. Yeah. Overtime. There we go. And that's done. Next thing. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? What's going on? I hate when I should disable that feature, because that just bugs me so much. Because if I'm lagging, it just like freaks out and just decides everything closed now. Alright, so all these are gonna be outputs. I don't think I need an input for analog, which is like, I don't know why, but okay, we're just gonna deal with it. So we're gonna make a few different functions outside. We're gonna make 3 functions. We're gonna make it for the 15 done 15, 30 and hour stream. So 15 selection. We're gonna do this. We have to program each one of these separately. Okay. So yeah, we got to program each one of these functions first, and it's going to run down the function, or it's going to run down the it's going to run down the program. Basically, I need to program 3 different things for 3 different delays, 3 different programs for each different delay, for each different time frame. So we got to make digital write. We're gonna do the 15-minute one first. Digital write. Start. Hi. Oh. That reminds me. I need to do that for up here. Oh, they should actually all be a low. Copy. Paste. 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 Yep. C. Actually, I want to do a verify confirmation here. Oh, did I screw up something that fast? Oh, and this is why you program one line at a time. verify. Do you not like 5? You don't like the... Yeah, you don't like 5. Okay. You don't like numbers in with your... See, that would have been a... That would have been a good thing to know. Okay. We're just gonna do this quarter stream, because quarter of an hour, half stream, full stream. Verify that. Going out. Oh. Verify that. Alright, we're gonna save that. Save it every so often because Arduino software will crash on you. Sounds very familiar to people coming from Adobe. So right now, I need to... I'm gonna... Okay, so during the setup, that's the beginning. This will never repeat again. So I need to make all the pins out that I'm using. Then have them go to low. Then I'm going to make another separate function for them. Quarter. Like I said before, I gotta rewrite the program like 3 times. After the first one, I could just basically copy and paste, but... Yep, okay. In a sense, it's all copy and paste, to be honest. Start. We're gonna make this high. Then, a quarter, 15 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay, so... delay. So... just gonna put this here for now. So... make comments. 1... 1,000 delays is equal to 1 second. So 60 seconds to a minute. And then, yep. So 1,000 times 60, halfway through a 15-minute stream is 8 minutes. I'm gonna put 7 minutes. I'll put 7 minutes because, I mean, like, it's on the less... I'm rounding down, so that way I have more time. Next. Okay, so this equals... calc... 1,000 times 60 times 7. Okay. 420,123. And then we're gonna put on digital right, and we're gonna turn the halfway one on. Delay. I'm also rounding down because we have a 5-minute timer that goes off. And we're basically going to copy this. But instead, we're going to change "15-minute stream minus 7 for the halfway." Equals 8. 8 minutes minus another 5 minutes because it's 5 minutes before is equal to 3 minutes. Okay, so we gotta put in for 3 minutes times 3. So 1,000 times 60 times 3. 1, 2, 3. Copy that and put that in there. Alright, next thing is gonna be... No, Amazon's not gonna digital right. 5 min. High. Then delay. Right. No, delay. This one's gonna be same thing. -3. This equation's gonna be gone. 5 minutes. And so 5 minutes. 1,000 times 60 times 5. And there we go. That's a number. Copy. Paste that number. And then we gotta turn on then we gotta turn on the stop stream light. Save this really quick. Verify that it's working technically. Yep, okay. Then we gotta put a delay. See, this is the thing I've been debating. You know what? Actually, we're gonna do... Okay, so we're gonna do that. Nope. Copy that. Copy that. And I think I'm gonna do 10 minutes instead of 10 minutes after the end. So we're gonna do 10. Because sometimes I do like to go over. I don't know if it was going to be 5 or whatever. I don't know. But 15 I'm thinking is too much. So 1,000 times 60 times 10. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we go. You know what? Actually, for a 15-minute stream, if I wanted it to be a 15-minute stream, I kind of want to keep it. All right, we're gonna do void half. We're gonna copy all this into there before I change it. Because I think 10 minutes is too long for this. We're going to switch it back to 5, so it's going to be 3. And that's fine for a 15-minute stream that I wanted to do real quick. Yeah, no, that's going 20 minutes. That's fine. If it was going an extra, like, half-hour stream, then, you know, I put it for half. So now we gotta do all the math again. And we're also gonna do a full one at the bottom. Alright, there we go. Halfway between 30 minutes is 15. 15. So 15 times 60, 900. So 900,000. Halfway light turns on. Alright. So next is, next calculation, 30-minute stream minus, 15 equals 15 is 10. So 10 times, yeah, we already got the answer. The 5-minute timer is always going to be the same. Or the stop stream is always going to be 5 minutes after, so that's fine. And then it's always going to be 10 minutes after that, so that's good. So that's good. Next is, Okay, halfway through a hour stream is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So, 30 minutes. I'm honestly trying to not die. This is thing use. Okay, so 30. 60 times 30 times 1,000. I hope that the stream or the let's see if it can actually handle that number. Okay, it can. Okay, good. Okay. Minus 30 minutes for halfway. Minus 30 minutes. Minus 5 minutes is 25. 25. 1,000 times 60 times 25. Uh, 1,5,0,0,1,2,3. Yep, that's the right number. Oh, I forgot to put in overtime. That's why I'm, like, very confused. Yep, that's why I was confused. I didn't actually put on the command to turn on overtime. I got too much caught up in the math. So, okay, so it writes the first one to start to show that it's working. Then it's going to show after the delay, then halfway, then 5 minutes, all the math, delay between that and the stream. Wait, that doesn't seem right. 60 times 1,000 times 5. No, that's right. Yep, okay, yeah, you know what? That's good. Yep, okay. So now it's good. Now we got all 3 basic programs in here as functions. So now we got to figure out when to activate which one. That means I got to look at the switches now. So I don't need you anymore. So we're gonna put in. Oh, we're gonna put in 2 integers up here, 3 integers. Equals. What should I name it? Well, A switch 1, standing for analog switch 1. No. Int A switch 1 is equal to 0. Int A switch 2, 0 it. int switch 3 switch a switch 3 a switch 3 is equal to 0.
In modern lifestyle, deserves a modern fragrance, like the new Polo Cologne Intense by Ralph Lauren, hanging with friends. Art shows.
Alright, so we're gonna
Discovering new places. Enjoy the scent of now, wherever you go.
do a switch
Polo
1
Cologne Intense by Ralph Lauren.
is equal to...
Click or
Okay, so a switch 1 is equal to... analog read, and then it's going to do quarter stream, and then we're going to do the same thing for each one of these. Except we're going to replace copy, half stream, full stream. We're going to do 2, 3, and then, okay, so for one for each dip switch, and then if we're going to do an if statement, a switch 1 is greater than 255 Oh, no. I didn't want to upload it, but at least I know it works. Well, if it's greater than 255, activate this. We're gonna upload this, see if it works. Oh. Okay. Gosh, now I gotta wait 15 minutes for the... or 8 minutes to kick the next thing off. Alright, so let's just... if... okay, so... do the same thing here. Two, 3. I have a feeling if I screw this up the wrong way, I should really put... I should put the hour first, because if it is the hour... oh, you're gonna make me do binary. You son of a... then 512. So the max that an analog can read is 512. So we're gonna scrap this idea. If a switch 1 is greater than is less than, so the maximum that an analog can go is 1023. The halfway point, to be safe, to show if it's either on or off, should be the middle, which is 512. Binary, people who are studying binary should be able to figure that out quite easily. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and then 256, then 512, then 124. But because 0 is an actual number, you gotta throw everything 0. They count 0 as a 1 or whatever. Engineering's weird. So if it's okay, so if switch 1 is less than 12, you know what? Actually, we're gonna keep it greater than that. We're gonna run. No, we're doing. I said 3 first. It checks for the full first. If it's the full, then it's the full. We're still in Stream Beats? Yeah, we're still in Stream Beats. Then we're going to check for the second switch to be pulled. And the first one. If I assume nope, we're just going with this. Unless I want to do binary, which I don't want to do. I really don't want to do binary. Okay, so switch 2. Okay, there we go. So it's going to check for the hour first because that's what I normally do. Then a half, then a quarter. Awesome. So we're going to save this. It's not been 8 minutes yet, but compiling the sketch. Okay. I don't think it's been 8 minutes, has it? But yeah, no, this is how you would write anything for this. If I wanted to do binary and do, like, if 1 was up and 2 was down, it would mean something else than just having both 1 and 2 up at the same time. Ooh. But because I already have 3 switches, and the reset switch on the Arduino itself is going to act as a start button for initializing everything, we're pretty good here. So, shit. I should write actually a void test for this. And we're just going to copy and paste this and just have like, I don't know, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. And then we're going to throw the test in. Different spots. Hey, okay, so it just reached 7 minutes or whatever, and we got 2. I don't know. Can you see that? Oh, no. Intro cam. Oh no, my hand's covering it. So we now have the blue and the green. This was the first upload with just the if switch one is greater than what it was, if switch one is on, basically. So we got the green. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got we got the green on. Oh no, stop! Don't move. Yes, we have the green on now. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, we have the blue and the green on now. So that means the code is working. But just to make sure that we can run this, I'm gonna quickly do a little test. We're gonna upload this with the test code on there. Okay. There. Okay, so it works if the hour one is on. And then I just hit the reset button when it's time to redo itself. Okay, so next I'm going to reset it with no switches on. So nothing should happen. That's good. One.
I always wonder how Coca-Cola tastes so good at McDonald's. Is it the way it flows through the straw? Or is it the ice-cold taste that's so refreshing? Or the perfect mix of Coke and Fizz? Or just an all of those things deal? There's a deal
All right,
for every
so
moment on the McDonald's $1-2-$3 menu. Order ahead on the McDonald's app and get all your favorite soft drinks like
if I have all of them on,
$1.
what's going to happen?
McDonald's. I'm loving it.
Prices and participation may vary. Cannot be
Well, it went for the high first. Okay, that's good. It goes for the hour one. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Okay, so I don't want to be doing that. Okay, so when I okay, if you look, all the dip switches are up. When they're all up, it works. Okay, so that one's good. We're gonna swap out this hour. Oh, we're gonna swap that out. We're gonna type back hour in there, and we're gonna type in test on switch number 2, just to test it out, just to see if that's the one, if that switch is the thing that's activating. Oh, full. It's not hour, it's full. And this is the closest we can do to actually testing this. Okay, so oh, let me reset it. So only dip switch 2 is up, and it's looking like it works. So let's do that, but let's reset it, but put pin 1 up. It should just go to the test one. What's happened if we have all 3 up? It's going to go for the hour one. So as long as just the blue one lights up, which it just does, that's awesome. So, in theory, this should work now. So, with that, camera intro. We're gonna do switches back to half, quarter. Okay, so half, quarter. Yep, and I actually want to get rid of this on the test one because this might do that. Alright. I don't want any kind of things on the test one, any kind of annotations or anything on there just to confuse people. We're gonna file, save. It's done saving. We're gonna upload this. And with that, we have our test, or we have our streamer timer. So, hey. So with that, we finished up. We got our streamer timer working. You can see the. Oh, what are we on? What are we on? I don't know what we're on. Well, I'm gonna reset it. And yep, it's working. We got blue on there. So I think that's gonna be it for the rest of today. We've completed programming our streamer timer. The next thing would be to possibly make a 3D printed case for this. I doubt it because I can no, at least for the back to cover up the wires. So until then, I'm gonna be done streaming for now. So have a wonderful evening, afternoon, night, or morning if you're watching this on YouTube. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.